Have you ever felt lost and confused because of online classes in lockdown? Are you struggling with your studies, wanting extra support but don't know where to turn for help? We at Polydemia know how you feel. Founded in 2019 by sixth form students in the midst of the pandemic, we wish to help underprivileged students in the UK achieve their best in the academics and bridge the widened learning gap formed by COVID-19. Our goal is to provide high-quality educational resources to all students in the UK. We have now grown from a humble 5 students to an organization with over 100 volunteers and nearly 600 hours of teaching. Polydemia offers free, weekly one-to-one tutoring sessions with trained tutors for science and math subjects. Your tutors will be able to provide extra support outside lesson times if needed. Our lessons are tailor-made for students by students to help you study more efficiently. All of our tutors are top A-level students, so we know what it's like to be in your shoes, and we can offer you study techniques and exam skills we picked up through our study journeys. Other than our tutoring sessions, we have uploaded over 70 short revision videos on our YouTube channel and Instagram, which are tailored to help consolidate important GCSE concepts for your exams. Once again, the services we offer are totally free, as we want as many people to access and benefit from our learning resources as possible. So don't hesitate to sign up for our tutoring services and find us on our Instagram and YouTube channel. Since we have first founded Polydemia, we have gained a lot of positive feedback and recognition from our students and parents.
I really enjoy the lessons. They are really helpful for school and getting better grades. They have definitely improved my range and depth of knowledge.
If you're interested, feel free to contact us through email. You can also find us on our website, our Instagram, or our YouTube. Hope to see you soon as part of the Polydemia family.